Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the top houseplants that clean the air. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with spider plant. If you're looking for a perfect houseplant that cleans your indoor air, then you should consider a spider plant. Naturally, spider plants are good at absorbing harmful air pollutants like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. Similarly, spider plants decompose benzene, xylene, and nicotine found in the air. Spider plants are easy to grow, propagate, and maintain. The plant does well in indirect sunlight and tolerates a range of temperatures, making it a top houseplant choice. Additionally, this houseplant is also non-toxic and, therefore, cannot affect animals when ingested. Snake plant. Another houseplant that should top your list is a snake plant. Unlike most houseplants, the snake plant releases oxygen at night, boosting the indoor environment and making sleeping more comfortable. Additionally, it removes harmful air pollutants such as carbon monoxide, xylene, toluene, and benzene from the air. To get the best of snake plants, grow them in indirect light and avoid overwatering because their roots rot in moist soil. English ivy. Another incredible houseplant that you should consider for your indoor air is the English ivy. This plant is great at removing airborne toxins, including benzene and formaldehyde. In addition, the plant is incredible at reducing particles of fecal matter and mold indoors. It can also be trained to climb, hence improving indoor aesthetics. English ivy grows better under bright, indirect light and generally adapts to a wide range of indoor temperatures. It is important to note that English ivy is poisonous when ingested, therefore it should be grown away from any pets. The plant is, however, prone to spider mites, which you can control by keeping the leaves moist and spraying weekly. Aloe vera. If you're looking for another easy-to-grow, air-cleaning houseplant, you should pick aloe vera. The plant does well in removing benzene and formaldehyde, making air safe for breathing. Like a snake plant, it also releases oxygen at night. Unlike most houseplants, aloe vera not only boosts the indoor environment but also serves as a medicinal plant. Its gel can be used to treat minor burns. It requires a sunny spot and well-drained soil to grow. Which is the best? Spider plants are the best houseplants for cleaning the air and boosting the indoor environment because they remove a variety of airborne toxins. Besides cleaning the air, spider plants are also easy to propagate and maintain. They also thrive in a variety of temperatures. Additionally, they are also non-toxic and therefore pose no threat when accidentally ingested by your pets. Thanks for watching.